How do you make your business audit proof? I know, just like myself or anybody else, whenever you hear CRA or CRA audit or CRA review, we all get nervous, we get anxieties. Oh my God, what are you going to do? What are you going to find out? Well, to be honest with you, I mean, I guess it's not pleasant because somebody's coming, it's like you're going for an exam, you know, they're coming and checking, I guess, your homework or your test to see, you know, what you've done. One of the main things that they do want, actually, their process is very simple. They'll send you a letter saying, you know, we want to look at this. Please provide us with your GL, which is the list of expenses that made up that account, or, you know, explain, you know, this and that. Well, one of the main things that they do look for is documents. You know, where's the receipt? We had a client that he did not do a good record keeping. CRA asked for a bunch of invoices, which to me, you know, would have been easy. You know, we just came up with the GL, and then we gave the agent bank statements, credit card statements. We said, well, you know, we claimed, let's say, telephone, gas, you know, certain expenses. You know, this is the bank statement, this is the credit card statement, so that's it. CRA came back and said, nope, we don't accept any of them. And we said, why? You know, that's bank statement said that we paid, credit card said that we paid it. What's wrong? He said, well, we want the receipt. Like, the client lost it, but you can see it. You know, it's in the Visa statement. You know, right there it says bill. Or for example, you know, it says gas. Or for example, you know, a blah blah company, we paid it for repairs, and they said, no, sorry, we don't accept it. We want documents. So lately, an app came out that does so many wonderful things. It's called Receipt Bank. All you do is you just take a picture. You could actually throw the receipt in the garbage. So just crumble it and throw it away. But I mean, make sure you take the picture first. So what it does, it takes the picture, it reads the data, it reads the invoice number, supplier name, all the tax code, all the items that you had, and we'll publish that into QuickBooks. We will connect Receipt Bank to QuickBooks Online. So whenever you take a picture, it goes straight to QuickBooks. It will be saved for 10 years. So CRA normally asks you to keep your records for 7 years. This app does add 3 more year bonus to that, and it's all electronic. So even if you keep your receipt in 2 years from now, I bet you on some of the receipt, you cannot even see what's on it. You may see, you know, just some blurred, faded away ink, and you know, like some kind of a receipt. But yeah, so the paper copy, after a while, you know, it just fades away. So in electronic format, it, you know, I guess I don't have to explain. It will stay the way you took the picture. And it's so simple, actually. Let's say even if you kept a receipt, so let's say CRA comes, you know, there's like, well, you know, we want to look at your 2017 repairs and expense. You had claimed $8,000. Either show us the receipts or show us your top 10 most expensive expense items. This is actually one of their audit requirement too, sometimes. So you have to go, I guess, find the box that you had the receipts in. If you had actually organized it by the account, that would make it easy, but a lot of people, they don't. They just put everything together, put it in a box, you know, put it aside. So it probably takes you a day or two just to find that. So with the Receipt Bank, that's not, it doesn't work like that. We'll basically go to your financial statements in QuickBooks Online, and then go to repairs and expenses for 2017. We zoom on that, and then we click, and basically, let's say there were 10 items that created that, or maybe it was 50. And if you had used Receipt Bank, there would be attachment next to each item. So let's say you paid $500 here, $200 there. $2,000 here. So once you click there, the receipt opens up. So, and actually CRA is also online friendly. So right from there, we'll save these receipts into a format, let's say CRA audit for 2017, and then we log into CRA website, submit documents, put your case number, put your business number, and submit everything through Dropbox. So again, if you're environmentally friendly, this app will help you. Ever since we actually are using cloud accounting, our paper purchase has gone down to almost nothing. Like we get a box and we still have it because we're not printing any paper. So Receipt Bank and its use make your company audit proof, beside tons of other stuff that's good.